What's up, nerds? Phoenix from PhoenixTV here with another episode of Birds Brains, the show that's coming at you live. If you're secretly in my apartment mid-July when I recorded this. This is episode 37, Edi-Bowl, Edible Toilets. Let's go.
I am Cookie Masterson, and if you want to rent a PT Cruiser for your prom, just let me know. Did you want to play alone, or did you get stood up again?
Oh.
And your wrong answer of the game is being sponsored by
Edi-Bowl edible toilets. They're not just sanitary, they're tasty.
Find the wrong answer associated with our sponsor to get yourself some sweet prizes and bonus cash.
I don't know what that
let's hit it.
So, it's up to it. Just go with it.
Right off the bat, Bland McNally. What type of delivery restriction should I expect from a pizza place called Papua John's? You must live in Northern Europe. We only deliver to the South Pacific, serving all of Western Africa, or proudly delivering to... The province of Papua is located in the South Pacific in Indonesia. Part of it is known as Papua New Guinea, so yeah, that's where Papua John's delivers to.
Yeah.
It's odd that a delivery place like Papua John's was able to find such success in the region, considering it was first explored by Vasco da Jornos.
Very nice. Very nice.
Coming up next, luck is only pretending to be a lady tonight.
Ooh.
I try to stay away from gambling and casinos because I'm just not a numbers guy. 7, 40, 0, Norkin, those numbers don't mean anything to me. I'm more of a words guy. Which of these casino game names is not also a verb? Slots, blackjack, poker, or craps?
This?
You're lucky I left my blackjack at home or I'd totally blackjack you with it. What, you
Oh.
don't know blackjack? Oh, you're gonna kick yourself. Slots, blackjack, and of course craps can all be verbs. But puns aside, poker is really just a noun. And nobody knows what the baccarat is.
Dang.
Dance with me, disco 3.
I didn't think what poker was, but...
Bucker up for skating through life. And this dis or dat is about to stick the landing.
I've never heard of blackjacking somebody.
I'm gonna read off 7 names, and for each one I want you to tell me if it's an ice skating jump or a past or current member of the rock band Guns N' Roses. If it's an ice skating jump, press the X button. If it's a Guns N' Roses member, press the B button. Okay, we're off.
Let's see.
Axel,
Oh,
Axel,
that
Wally, Dizzy, Slash, Bumblefoot, Lutz.
one. Not bad.
Close, but you fell on your duff. McKagan, former bass player for Guns N' Roses.
Yeah.
I used to have a dream of being a figure skater, and I would come out and rock the house to Welcome to the Jungle. But then I grew up, and I decided to enter to Call Me Maybe.
I knew it was Axel from Guns N' Roses. I just jumped at the wrong Axel.
This one's
My bad.
known as Taco Hell. What would happen to a Choco Taco in the Chaco Canyon? It would melt in Egypt, it would melt in New Mexico, it would melt in Jamaica, or it would melt in India. You're in denial. Let me show you something. The Chaco Canyon, home to the ancient ruins of the Pueblo tribe, is located in New Mexico. It's a great site to visit and reflect on how far we've advanced in our ice cream taco desserts. And on its way,
That would make sense.
Carpe Diem.
Never heard of an Egyptian
Oh, hey, my
king.
Chinese food arrived. Let's see, did I eat it yet? I can never tell if I already ate it. Oh, hell, I'll just skip to the fortune cookie anyway.
Yay!
Okay. Let's see what she says. Don't judge a book by its cover. Okay, right, because if you did that, you might think The Godfather is about Ferris wheels, marionette. The Godfather's iconic cover has a hand holding the strings to a marionette puppet on it, so I might believe it's about a man and his puppets. Another reason not to judge a book by its cover, there's almost always a picture on the cover of books, but almost never any pictures on the inside. That's false advertisement.
True.
That's
Very
the
true.
end of a thrilling first round. And lucky for you, there's room for improvement. Don't forget, in round 2, all the cash is doubled. Let's keep going.
Saved him that time.
Up next, Ancestry. I've been using this Ancestry.com thing to find out my true ethnic background. Turns out I'm 25% Tasmanian, 25% Northern Russian Eskimo, 25% Wallace and Futunian, and 25% Liechtensteinian. And you know, that just feels right. Anyway, whose ethnic background would be 50% blue, 25% yellow, and 25% red? The love child of Smurfette and Hellboy, the love child of Ms. Pac-Man and Cookie Monster, the love child of the annoying Orange and Shrek, or the love child of the Wicked Witch and Barney the Dinosaur? Time's a-wasting.
This one. Dang.
I so wanted you to pick this one. The Wicked Witch is green, so that's 1 part blue and 1 part yellow.
Yeah.
Barney is purple, so that's
Dang.
1 part blue and 1 part red. So their child would be 2 parts blue, 1 part yellow, and 1 part red. Or 50% blue, 25% yellow, and 25% red.
That was difficult
Also,
to
that
try and
child would
figure out.
be 50% evil and 50% good. Just like all of us. Just like all of us.
Especially under pressure like that. That was a tough one.
Here's one I like to call Actually Talking Heads.
But an interesting question.
Who would be the most suited to play the title role in a cartoon adaptation of The Lord of the Flies? Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, Porky Pig, or Elmer Fudd? Yo, Willy Willy Wong. This would have worked. In William Golding's Lord of the Flies, the titular Lord of the Flies is a decapitated pig's head that is put on a spike by a bunch of stranded British children.
Oh.
So Porky Pig would be perfect for the part. And best of all, the bleak ending of the book would be less depressing if it had the pig head wink and say, "That's all, folks."
I was just thinking Elmer Fudd because I knew it was real people. Or at least real fictional people. Instead of
Here
animals.
we have Striped Tees.
Yeah.
It's the put the choices into order, then buzz in and see if you are right. Question.
And this one's going to be worth double the points if you get it right, so try and stay focused. For once. Arrange these items in order from fewest to most stripes. The American flag, a standard set of billiards balls, the Cat in the Hat's hat. Balls,
Okay,
flag,
the
hat,
American
hat, balls,
flag
flag,
has-
flag, hat, balls, or hat, flag, balls. There are 5 stripes on the Cat in the Hat's hat, 7 stripe balls in a standard billiard pool set, and 13 stripes on the American flag. That earned you an extra grand. And now I will count how many stripes there are on a barber's pole. 6. No, wait. No, 9. Nope. Darn it, it keeps moving. Coming up, bring us not into the temptations.
The weird number thing.
Considering the 4 major elements he believed in, what would a drunken Plato shout at an Earth, Wind, and Fire concert? Hey, where's time? Hey, where's light? Hey, where's metal? Or, hey, where's water? Time's running out.
This one.
Along with a potential 5th element known as ether, or a heavenly substance, Plato and the Greeks believed in 4 major elements: earth, air, fire, and water. Plato is also a huge believer in that every song should have a saxophone solo. Take a good look at Eat Frisch. Suppose Subway restaurants in Germany name their subs after the German submarines in World War I and World War II. What sandwich could you order there? A meatball monitor, a Black Forest ham frigate, a steak and cheese salute. U-boats were the name of the German submarines used in World War I and II.
I knew they had them.
They would still, of course, sell $5 1/3 of a meter longs.
I just wasn't sure if a U-boat was a submarine or a small.
Brace yourself for the attack.
water boat.
When you see two clues that match, press your A button. 2,000 big ones if you're right. 2,000 gone if you're wrong. And don't ever forget,
Remember the clue.
it's gotta be a match that fits this clue. You're positively glowing. What part of them glows? Good luck.
What part of them glows? Rudolph had his shiny nose. Not spinal cord. Come on. Yeah. Firefly has their... Was it their abdomen? It's more like their butt, but still. Probably abdomen. Yeah, I guess it was that. Alright. What? Oh, yeah. Glowy eyes. Frodo's sword. The blade? Makes sense. E.T., he had the glowing finger. Which is kind of a telephone. Not his tongue. A flashlight, not the handle. That. I wasn't sure what they were going for, but yeah, I knew the answer to that one, obviously. Buzz Lightyear. His spacesuit lights up. Yeah. But the man went with wings. But I guess he also has that thing on his arm. Oh well.
That's all she wrote! And if you want to see my face glow, just watch me sit in front of a Golden Girls marathon.
You don't know Jack!
There you go. Well, this has been yet another week of Bird's Brain with Phoenix from PhoenixTV. I'm very, very rapidly running to the end of these
Don't
episodes.
say pajamas is the new
And I've
game show
enjoyed
that's
it.
taken the world by storm.
But in the meantime,
Hosted by
tune in
none
next
other
week.
than
There's
Terry
still
St.
plenty
Pancakes.
more to
The
go.
only rule of this game is not to say
And
the
yeah,
word
I'll
pajamas.
see you next week. Thanks for watching.
Loud Shoes.